So John's bio is 200 pounds and 5'10", and John is going to demonstrate the entry and egress from a 31.5 inch in diameter chamber. So John is grabbing the door handle. John is scooting down, shifting his body weight. Sliding and then closing the window, and then he can start of the chamber through the internal control panel or here. And after that, after the session, that is, pretend that he finished this session and he is shifting his body weight and then stepping out and then resting if he needs to, which tells you that the design is such that you can put your entire body in there. Thank you, John.